Stay tuned to discover the secrets of natural Viagra. Hi friends! Today we're going to dive into a topic that's often sought after but not talked about. Now we all know that traditional medicines have side effects, but what if I told you that there are actually natural options that actually have side benefits? They improve your blood flow and also your overall health. So let's start with a very common juicy solution, watermelon. Did you know that watermelon improves blood flow, just like Viagra? You can say goodbye to those unwanted side effects. Eating 3.5 servings of watermelon daily can work wonders for your circulation. It's all about enhancing blood flow, which is a key factor in erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is actually your body's way of warning you about potential heart issues. Yes, you heard right. There is a direct link between impotence and heart attacks. But fear not, a simple change in your diet can make a world of difference, not only to your erectile dysfunction, but to prevent heart disease. Now let's talk about yellow watermelon. It's an even more potent source of goodness. Packed with 3 times more arginine than the red variety, yellow watermelon is a blood vessel relaxing champion. Arginine converts into citrulline, which promotes blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. So the next time, ladies, when you're picking out those balls, there's a reason why you're lugging that watermelon. Looking for a crunchy solution? Pistachios are here to save the day. In just 3 weeks, you can see a significant improvement in erectile dysfunction. And it's not just pistachios, it's a mix of nuts, including a handful of walnuts, as well as half a handful of almonds. They can both improve your erectile dysfunction by 50%. Plus, they're a game changer to sperm quality and count. Now, it's time to add some greens to your plate, and that's with broccoli. And it's not just for salad, it's your ticket to improve blood flow. And don't forget to cut it up before cooking to release sulforaphanes, powerful antioxidants unique to cruciferous vegetables. Now, let's talk about the importance of variety. Have you tried dinosaur kale? From kale chips to sauteed delights and fruity salads, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy these cruciferous treasures. Ever had beet roots? Athletes love them for an energy boost, but that's not all they offer. Beets reduce inflammation in blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow. And here's an interesting twist. Those with healthy mouth bacteria benefit even more as beet nutrients get digested twice. Speaking of mouth bacteria, did you know that avoiding mouthwash could be very beneficial? Your mouth bacteria play a role in maximizing the anti-inflammatory benefits of certain foods like beets. When you nourish your immune system and improve your immune health, you're enhancing blood flow throughout your body. And if you want to learn more about these fantastic foods and their health benefits, don't forget to check out the next video. We'll catch you next time.